Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to compare two CRM tools. First one is Bitrix24 and the second one is Zoho CRM. We will go through some pros and cons. I will tell you more about these two products, and in the end we'll go through pricing points or the pricing, and then we'll try to find out which one is better, at least from my point of view. So let's kick it off with Bitrix24. Bitrix24 boosts team performance and encourages effortless communication with its collaboration features. The software can provide digital business solution in multiple fields with its diverse feature set. It comes enhanced with customer relationship management, internal communication, knowledge management, telemarketing, and workflow management features. Bitrix24 supports voicemail, multi-user collaboration, video and audio conferencing, chat messaging, and file sharing. Users can also enjoy features like telephony, photo gallery, email management, and social sharing. This cloud-based collaboration tool can be run on any device. You can do brainstorming and cooperative writing too. Bitrix24 provides you 24/7 live support if you need to. It's meant for small, medium, and large businesses, and you can run it on Android, iOS, Windows, and Mac, basically on everything. Same as every single CRM tool, it's very heavy dependent on integrations. So let me explain. If you really pay for Bitrix and you decide to go with any of these bundles in Bitrix, and you decide that you maybe want some nice features from maybe Notion or Slack or Asana, you can easily do that by just integrating it through Zapier, for example. But let's go to pricing. Bitrix is providing free start for its users. So if you want to find out if the Bitrix is the one, you can easily by using it free. In this columns you see what it's included in the free package. Then we have a basic package. So observers and participants are not in the free package, for example. And obviously with basic, standard, and professional, you are running more and more features. Also, I don't have to mention that the price is rising as well. You can choose for 4 programs or pay methods. One is 1 month, 3 months, 1 year, and 2 year. It's obviously it's a 2 year you are gonna save the most. So basic starts at $5 or euros per user if you are billed annually. Standard goes for 50 users and you are billed 79, and professional unlimited users 159 a month. So it's not that expensive. What I really like about Bitrix, it's really easy to use. So you just jump into your menu, into your work groups, and you can see on the left panel all the things that you can work with. For example, robotic process, CRM site, employees, and stuff like that. I don't have any, but you can easily make a structure. You can add calls, due dates, and stuff like that. But let's talk more about Zoho CRM. Zoho helps businesses of all sizes in maintaining a high standard of customer relations with its feature-rich software. The multi-channel support feature lets you reach your customers via any medium, be it phone, live chat, email, or through social media. With visitor tracking and email analytics, you can see what your customers are seeing and find opportunities for interaction. With the pre-built and customizable KPIs, you can see where your team excels and where they need more training. Zoho Blueprint ensures that the same level of attention is given to the right customers, even if the sales team grows. It makes you sure that everyone in the team follows the right process. Also, you can enjoy 24/7 support, and it's made for all kind of companies, even for freelancers. When we check the pricing, you see that you can sign in and you can go free as well with free trial, but it's not shown in here, but you can easily start your free trial. But we have for option standard, which is 14 euros per user, 23 per user. At professional, enterprise is 40, and ultimate is 52, which you basically have everything unlocked. It's a little bit more expensive and actually very similar to Bitrix. I really like Bitrix in a way that it's not that expensive at the end, and for sure you can find more expensive ones like Zoho, for example. It does the same. So basically there's not the equal jump in expensiveness to the actually into the features. So you really should try both of them, and I mean, use the free menu option, and then decide. I would go with Bitrix. In my opinion, it's not that expensive and it does the work perfectly. It's very easy to read. It's not hard to learn. But if you're a bigger company, I can see where Zoho is the better one for you, because they are really big. There is a lot of guides. They have really a lot of experience with guiding you through every single steps. So I would try this. But if you're a smaller company, Bitrix, I think you don't have to look no further. If you have any questions, guys, thanks for watching. Leave the comment underneath this video. We'll try to answer any kind of your questions. And also, if you liked it, press a like and subscribe. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.